83 times 35 using the area model. First, make sure you set up your boxes correctly. Then we're going to take our numbers and break them apart into expanded form. 80 plus 3, 30 plus 5. Then trace with your fingers. We're going to take our numbers down and our other number down. And we're going to take our side numbers over. Then we will multiply them. Ignore your zeros and then add them back on. 8 times 3 is 24 plus your 2 zeros. 3 times 3 is 9 plus your 0 makes it 90. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 1 more makes it 400. And 3 times 5 is 15. We're going to add these numbers together on the side, making sure that we line up our place values. When we add these together, 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. We carry our 1, we bring down our 0. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, and we get our final answer of 2,905.